One thing that I've learned in my fitness journey is making sure that I make it a lifestyle. I make eating healthy a lifestyle. And what better way than enjoying what you eat? So today I'm going to add just a little bit of pineapple because it's fruit and it has a bit of sugar into my smoothie. And pineapple has quite a few benefits which will help you in boosting your immunity, aiding in digestion and reducing inflammation. And if you are in that weight loss journey, pineapple is relatively low in calories and is high in fiber, and definitely is going to make you feel full for longer. I went outside to just go and get some peppermint from my flower bed. There it is, and my smoothie was just delicious. And at the same time, super healthy. If you want to try something today, keep searching and make the best of your fitness journey. Ciao, have a wonderful weekend.